Hello everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. And today I want to show you how to make this mini scarf. I made it last year for this cute Grinch. You can also find the right pattern for free on our website GretaWings.com. And also you can use it for our Olaf. I will show you now. And also if you want to make any of them, see the description of this video and I will leave the links. So you can see. It's so cute with this scarf. So I use for this scarf Sinfonía brand yarn, red and white, but I will show you using red and green. This yarn is 100% cotton yarn. It's about 3 millimeters, and for this one I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. Also you can find this yarn in our website GretaWings.com and you can buy it with us. So this is the hook that I will use, but depend of your yarn is the hook that you will use. So if you are ready, let's start. We will start making the slip knot and then 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we will start in the chain number 3 making 3 half double crochet. Also you can use double crochet, but I prefer half double crochet for this scarf because this one is for amigurumi and it's smaller. So in the chain number 3, 1, 2 and 3, taking the back loop that you prefer. I prefer this one. So the first half double crochet in, and now 2 more, 2, and in the last half double crochet we will change to green colored yarn. I'm sorry. That's it. You don't need the slip knot in this yarn, only take with the hook and that's it. On round 2 we will take 2 threads, both, and make the first chain, taking both. And make this. And now we will secure the beginning. So 1 more chain because we need 2 for start this round. Turn and take this thread and this one, the red. And we will make 3 half double crochet again, starting here. Take the red yarn and make the first half double crochet here. 2 more. Two, and in the half double crochet 3 we will change to red colored yarn again. Later you can secure this thread. So 2 chains, 1 and 2. Take the green yarn and put here. And now we can make 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, and in the half double crochet 3, change to green color yarn. 2 chains. 1 and 2. Turn. Take red color yarn and 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, and in the 3 change to red colored yarn. Again, 2 chains, 1 and 2. Turn, take the green yarn and 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, and in the third, change to green yarn. 2 chains, 1 and 2, and that's it. We will continue repeating the same. 1 round with red color yarn and the next with green. Red, green, and red, green, all scarf. I made 41 rounds, but you can make the rounds that you prefer for your project. So now I will show you the result. Something more. You need to make this all time. Yeah, because you will change a lot of time for the colored yarn. You need to make this and continue crochet. That's it. I will show you now the result with 41 rounds. I'm now finished the round 40 and changed to red color yarn. So round 41, 2 chains, 1 and 2, turn, and 3 half double crochet. I will take the green color yarn again, but I don't use more. It's only for secure and hide it. 1, 2, and 3, 1 chain to secure, and cut the yarn, leaving yarn only for hide it. And I will show you now how I hide this thread, and you can see how I do it. If you think that is not necessary for you, you can follow in the video. So this is the result. I hope and you want to use on your amigurumis. And don't forget, if you like this tutorial, leave me your like and your comment, and if you have any questions, leave comments and I will answer you as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next tutorial, bye bye!